are you? Welcome our science session. Now in first session we have to learn about our first lesson. That is our food. Do you know that? All of you understand? We learn about that first lesson. Our food. What are the varieties of foods are there? What are the breakfast, lunch, dinner? What are the vitamins food? What are the junk food? What foods we can avoid the foods? What are the liquid foods? What are the raw foods? What are the roughages? What are the minerals? What type of food we have to take in? These are that we have learned about in first lesson. Now we are going to now second lesson. That name is magnetics. What is that lesson name is? Playing with magnetics. What is that? Playing with magnetics. Do you know in that small children are playing with the magnetics, with the sand, the paper on the paper, some small sand will put and under that it is rotating, that it will rotating, it will do sand also, like magnetic will happen. That we have to learn about that our lesson now, playing with magnets. Playing with magnets. Do you know that leadstone is a natural magnet. Leadstone is the natural magnet. It is also called magnetic. It is also called magnetics. The magnet attracts materials like iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. are called magnetic materials. Which materials are called like iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. are called, these materials are called magnetic materials. The materials that are not attracted by the magnets are called non-magnetic materials. Non-magnetic materials meaning what? That materials that are not attracted by the magnets, which some paper will not attract the magnetics. That materials are called non-magnetic materials. Like example, paper, wood, plastic. These materials are not attracted by the magnets. Then one magnet have two poles. Magnets have two poles, that is north and south pole. That north pole is the north pole, meaning that is the north pole is the magnetic north direction end. Which is the end north direction is known as north pole. The magnetic north direction end is known as north pole. This is the end with the north side, that is called north pole. The next one, south pole, means the magnet south direction end is known as south pole, which is the magnetic end with the south direction is called south pole. The two poles are there, one is the north and south, like this. We have to draw. Here we look at side is called north, this side is called south, and in the point is called north pole. This bottom of the point is called, the bottom of the line is called south pole. It is called north and south poles. That such as magnets are discussed with not material, not natural materials, but leadstone is that natural magnetic. Leadstone is called also magnetic. The attraction and repulsion between magnets like poles repeat each other. That what is the attraction repulsions of that between the magnets? Like poles repulse each other, unlike poles are attracted each other. Unlike opposite direction will attract, north and south pole is that attracted by the magnets. The repulsions are latest magnetics. What are you understand by this statement? What do you understand by this statement? That opposite sides are very magnets. But repulsion only observed by between two magnets. What unlike poles brought them to field. Once you see here, we have to learn about magnets of mapping. That is here north pole, south pole. Magnetic material, we have to learn about that. Repulsion and compare. Unlike poles, inductions, Like poles. Like poles means that opposite sides are in opposite direction will attract. Next we have to learn about that magnets. We have to learn that magnets are attracts like iron and nickel, cobalt materials. That magnets are different types. How many types that? That is 4 types are there. Now we have to learn about these ones. Next we have to learn about that magnetic compass. That is a compass that used with magnetized needle is called a magnetic compass. What is the meaning of magnetic compass? A compass that used with the magnetized needle is called a magnetic compass. Called a magnetic compass. Next, light poles. Now we will learn about that mind mapping. That about these light poles. That is north. The poles. North pole. South pole. Are like poles. In magnets, they repel each other like this. Next, unlike poles, south pole, north pole, or north pole, south pole are unlike poles. They are unlike poles. In magnets, they attract each other. They attract each other. In like poles, they cannot attract. Unlike poles, south north south are unlike poles. Magnets, unlike poles in magnets, they attract each other like this. That attraction means it moves towards. Magnetic induction. That is magnetic induction. Next one is magnetic induction. The magnetic property proposed. Magnetic property posed by magnetic substance. Magnetic substance due to the presence of magnet near to. It is called magnetic induction. One more time listen. Magnetic induction means that magnetic property posed by magnetic substance due to the presence of magnet to near. That is called magnetic induction. Next, now we have to learn about our different types of meaning, different words in that our playing with magnetic lesson. Now we have to learn about our different kinds of magnets. There are so many different types of magnets are there. Suppose we have to here look at the textbook, children. All of you buy the textbooks. See here itself 4 magnets are there. First one bar magnet, second one ring magnet, third one disc magnet, fourth one horseshoe magnet. What is that? Horseshoe like magnet it is called. There are now we know the different types of magnets. That is 4 types. Listen, look at the board. The magnets. Different types of magnets are there. They are magnets. Bar magnet, ring magnet, disc magnet, horseshoe magnet. There are 4 types of magnets are there. Now we have to learn about these magnets. Next we have to learn about that magnetic compass. That magnetic compass, you know that in the textbook you see that this rounding shape, that magnetic compass, in middle needle are there, it is rotating movely freely, where that we have to find the navigations and poles. It shows north, south, west, east, the directions. It is there. It is look like this. In our textbook is there. Now we have to learn about that magnetic compass. It is the most familiar compass type. It functions as pointer to magnetic north. It functions the pointer of the magnetic north, the local magnetic meridian, because local magnetic meridian, because they magnetized magnetized needle. It's near the box. It is in the box. The needle we kept that can rotate freely. It can rotate freely. It shows the directions to its needle, indicates the north-south directions. In that needle we will indicate the north-south directions. When it comes to rest, when rotated in one place, then it can stop the needle. That is the direction where we have. That it is used to find the directions. It is used to find the directions. Mostly people who are that, those who are going to forest, mostly they can use forest department, forest polices, and mostly used in the ships. They have to go by the oceans. They have to go to that. They mostly use it to direct which way we have to go. They have to, that compass will direct to them. And aeroplanes, yes. And mountainous, mountains. And army people. Why these people use it? They have to go searching the enemy's fire in the forests, mountains, hilly areas. They have to find the directions. And we have to find more. One is there, geographical traditional directions. As usually diagrams called a compass is that is directions, north south direction. It is used to show to that. It and west east, it is shows to that from compass faces as obrodential. We have to kept with us, that is small in sizes and big in size, different sizes are there. We have to take and go in with our bag, and we have to put in the directions in our ships like aeroplanes. It shows to the direction which way we have to move. It shows that. And magnetic lesson also there. See, look at that picture in our textbook, page number 16 is there. You have to learn that figure number 5. And you should do that activities also in that page number 14 is one table is there. Table number 1. You should complete the table number, name of the object, materials which the object is made, wood or plastic. You should write here 2 examples are there. They have to finish it. And you have to complete the table. Okay now? And first activity is that you should learn afterwards different kinds of magnetics are there. Next session we have to learn about that 4 types of magnets, and we have to learn about that now. What is the magnets are there? What are that? Do you know that magnetics means? Tell me. Yes, leadstone is a natural magnet. The magnets attract material is like iron, steel, cobalt. They are called magnets. That which materials are not attracted to the magnets are called non-magnetic materials. And what is that attraction? Makes something to move forward. That is called attraction. Like poles is that north, south, south. Like poles in magnets, they are called like poles. What are the unlike poles? That unlike pole is south, north, south is these poles are in magnets. They are attract each other. That is unlike poles. And what is the repulsions to drive off to that repulsion is called. And that magnetic compass, a compass used with the magnetic needles is called a magnetic compass. This is should draw the magnetic compass. And that magnets and magnetic materials are, what is that? Iron, steel, cobalt. These are our magnetic materials. Non-magnetic materials are paper, wood and plastic. These are the north pole. What is the What are the magnet? What are the magnetic materials? What are the non-magnetic materials? What are the attraction? What are the like poles? What are the unlike poles? What is their repulsion? What is the attraction? We have to learn about these types of this. And magnets, so how many types are there? Next session we have to learn about that. And we have to learn about our data compass, to draw and do the activity and complete the table. Okay na?